How do LLM handle out-of-vocabulary OOV words or tokens? Answer. Large language models LLM handle out-of-vocabulary OOV words or tokens using a technique called subword tokenization. This means that when an LLM encounters a word it has never seen before, it breaks it down into smaller units, called subwords, that it is familiar with. These subwords are then used to generate text or understand the meaning of the unknown word. For example, if an LLM encounters the word unpredictable, it might break it down into the subwords un, pre, dict, and able. The LLM can then use these subwords to generate text or understand the meaning of the word, even if it has never seen the word before. This approach is useful because it allows LLM to handle words that are not in their training data, which is important because language is constantly evolving and new words are being added all the time. There are different subword tokenization techniques that LLM can use, such as byte pair encoding (BPE) and word piece. BPE is a technique that involves iteratively replacing the most frequent pair of characters in a word with a single token. Word piece is a technique that involves dividing a word into subwords based on its phonetic and orthographic properties. Both techniques are effective at handling OOV words, but they can have different effects on the quality of the text generated by the LLM. Overall, subword tokenization is an important technique that allows LLM to handle OOV words and tokens, which is essential for their ability to generate high-quality text and understand natural language. By breaking down unknown words into smaller, familiar units, LLM can continue to learn and improve even when they encounter words they have never seen before.